Hello. Hi.
How are you?
Yeah, Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm very, very busy.
Okay, I
I
understand.
need to get products for the shop.
Mhm. Okay, so let me update you what I did, and I will ask you a few questions.
Yes.
So this is the site. Okay, so here, this is the shop. When you click, uh, this is the brand basically, and they are
Yes.
coming from dynamically. And here are the menus.
Yes.
Yeah, if you need to update it, just let me know which brand under which menu you need, like you already explore only. So when you
Yeah.
will click here, it will be redirect to the product. So right now there is no product, so that's why not showing. And
Right.
now how do you connect with them? So for that, just normally come to the here, and you can edit in your product. I just click quick edit. Let me show you.
I know the quick edit.
Yeah, okay, that's great. So here is two brand now showing. Ignore the first one. I'll remove it. So here is the brand. So you have to just click here which product. Let's say this product for testing purpose. I'm putting this
Okay.
and update.
Is it possible to hide a product if there's no products inside a brand?
I have to check.
Okay.
So if I go to here and if I come here, see the product what just now we
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
yeah,
Okay.
so let me fix it. Quick edit, not in product. Okay, so here another thing. The header, our previous one was something like the current one. The header was the
Yes.
button is not here. I added this one. I was thinking they are important. So how will be the header now on the docs? I mean the image. You mentioned something like this.
Yes. I prefer that one actually.
Okay. So okay, then here, what is this? The first one. Is it just a
That's
icon
a
and
link.
text?
That's a link for umage.com.
Say again, please.
It's a link for umage.com.
Okay. Can you give me this text, the link, and is it icon?
Yeah, but I think you want a new icon?
Yeah. Actually, here I have to. I need to this content to set here. So
You
it,
need it. Let me see again. But you
okay.
can use that one?
No, I can't use that one.
Yeah.
And what will be here?
Flags for use for VPML.
Oh, okay, okay. This is for translation.
Yeah.
Okay, and there, this is
That's
contact
the
me.
newsletter. You can just use
Oh, okay,
the
got it.
default one, right?
Yeah, and this is my account.
Yes.
Okay, and this is logo. And what is the
But can
name
I
of the
just
page?
see the standard template again, please?
Yeah.
Because actually I like the style they have been doing with my account. But this is where I need if you take my presentation, right?
Yeah.
If you show me that my presentation, then the drop down should be in the left side, like in my presentation.
Oh, okay.
So
Okay,
it's
so this
very,
is
very
I just make this one.
yeah,
I
yeah,
mean,
yeah, 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 yeah.
yeah, they don't touch
Perfect.
there. Okay, but if I do something better with this information, that is okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's really fine.
Okay, okay. Then you must be need this information, right?
Yes.
Okay, this is information and I don't know what it is. Their page.
About. It's
Oh,
about.
okay. About. So you have only two page here. It will be shown.
Yeah, until now, but I will have more pages below information,
Okay. Okay. All right.
two or
Got it.
three or something like that.
Yep. Yep.
Also, I'm considering to have an extra topic, but I can set that up. But we can discuss that later, right?
Okay.
But if you can
Okay.
do something with the shop over there, so it's getting more visible somehow, where you choose the brand, it would be really good. Where you select the brand name.
You mean the sidebar here?
No, up. Yeah, but you didn't do that yet. No, but if you take my presentation,
Yeah.
if you in the design can make it more visible that you need to start click there where it says shop.
Oh, the button.
Yeah, if you
Oh,
can make
okay.
that really, so people are dragged.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, yeah. People have to know that they have to click here. Yeah.
Yeah, because you understood my message about if you own a car brand, then you want to see that car brand products. You don't care about all the other products
Okay.
for other car
Okay.
brands. So it should be like a landing page with a hero for the car on all the pages. When you select, for instance, Audi or Xpeng, then it should be just in Xpeng environment. Do you understand?
Yes. This is already something like that. This is something like a filter. So when you will come here,
Exactly.
if you go to the Audi, so only this brand all product will be show. Others product will be not show here.
Right.
This is totally logical and it's
Only
totally functional.
related, only related with that because you don't care about other products.
Yeah.
You only want to see your car, right?
Yes.
And I see you have been you have checked. I have been putting in the car images and stuff like that, and I will fulfill that tomorrow as soon as I have been setting up my
Okay.
order with China, right?
Yeah.
And also the plugin, the import, they did have a problem. The plugin I bought for importing from Wix and exporting from Wix to import, and they promised
Okay.
me they
Are
will.
you facing any issue to importing the product?
Sorry.
So are you facing issue to
Yes,
import
they have
product
a
here?
problem. They have a
Okay.
problem. I have actually two plugins, right? And
Okay.
the
Can
short
you?
description.
Yeah, I have a solution for you.
Okay.
Yeah, we can scrap the product. Uh, I mean there is some Python tools. Via that we can take the data in a CSV file and we could just um, export into the site. Let me show you a few example. I'm doing for one website. Let me show you. Oh, not this one. Oh, this one. So they're basically category. We are exporting the product. Taking the product from one of the vendor, multi-vendor site. They are subcategories, and they are the products. So like here is the category, title, images, description. All data will become somehow. Then if I upload on the WordPress, it will be set automatically.
Yeah, but actually problem, I talked to the plugin company now, and they say Wix is very, how do you say? It's very complicated because they don't want to share everything with you.
There's no problem if the data visible. Let's say this is a site. Okay. This is okay. Actually, we are used to that. We can play with them, so this is not issue. Let's say if I come here, this website. If I let's say come
Yeah, I understand. But
inspect, yeah. So
Suel, yeah, I know about that. But Suel, the actually problem here is that they have been renaming the image file names,
okay.
and I wanted the original file name. And
Oh, okay.
there's more to it than just getting the text, because
Okay,
the
okay, okay.
text is just copy paste. But it's something about the meta description and all that stuff I have been using time setting up in the Wix system. And this
Okay.
plugin company, they told me, they wrote on the web page they could do it, but now it seems like they're still having a problem with Wix. So they promised me, I accept them, I gave them access in the stacking account to go in and get it fixed.
Okay, all right. Okay,
So,
okay. If
but
that
maybe I
one,
come back anyway, right?
yeah.
And ask you for this task. No problem.
Okay, okay. If that's not work, you can knock me. I will try to help you.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, and yeah, and another thing about the product grid design. Right now, the design is product something like this, and there is hover, cart, and the search. This style is okay, or I have to change it?
I actually like where it goes up when you click for the preview.
Mm-hmm.
You know, where you can see a box opening.
Yeah.
I think it's inside the standard template. When you say preview, you get a pop-up.
It will be like a pop-up.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, like that. Exactly.
Okay. Okay, I mean the grid design. If I go to this theme, they have huge design. Let me show you. I'm just showing. Do you like this is okay, or do you like more? Because they have more option.
I just need the filter on the left side, which is very important, right?
Okay, yeah, product, product grid. See, there basically they have the designs. So if you like any
Yeah,
one
but
of
it's not the other one because again we don't have colors and all that shit, right?
what? Say it,
It's very
please.
limited. Maybe 2 or 3 products has colors.
Yeah, if the color is not available, it will be not visible. See, I mean,
Okay.
what is the difference? That is, see here, current now, the
Yeah.
color is not showing. I mean, there is no color. So that's why when hover is blank. See,
Yeah.
and here is the wish list, and here is the quick view. And if I compare with the others design, let's say this one, and button is full width, and here is the left side is the compare, wish list, and something.
Yeah.
That's
But I
why.
like that with icons on the picture. But I like the design you already made.
Oh, okay. Then that's okay. I'm just showing you if you like it.
That's perfect. That's
Okay.
perfect. You are a star.
Yeah. Okay. So now okay. I also changed something on the footer as usual. I know it's not much.
Mm.
Uh, and now my next I'll work on the header and also the single product page. I mean the archive page.
Yes.
I will make the filter, and here right now this is the brand or category name is showing here,
Perfect.
and there is the others categories and the background image. Would you like to keep, or I have to remove them?
What do we want? You mean the categories?
Yes, right now the categories
Yeah,
listing
but
are
there should
showing.
not be that. There should be on the left side.
No, this is just you can say a breadcrumb something, and here definitely here it
Ah,
will be showing.
okay. How come
Here also I will add, no problem.
I don't like it. It's messing up the nice picture. I would prefer it, how to say, maybe between the single product page. This is what I told you. So if we can, when you scroll down,
Mm-hmm.
maybe it can disappear. Can it do that?
Disappear. I mean, you mean these categories and categories there?
No, I would like them to stay because I think the basic idea is very good.
Yeah. Okay.
Uh,
I just asked him because on your presentation it was not there.
it was not there, and it's good
Yeah.
you are suggesting it. It's really good. So I
Okay.
think it should be on top of below the breadcrumb, right?
Mhm.
But let's
Okay. All
talk
right.
about that in the next. Let me think about it, Joel.
Okay. Okay. All right. So
Okay,
I think tomorrow you will get update with the header and the archive filter. But
right.
for making the filter, have to data in the site, like the attributes and the category, all of the listed there.
The categories should be set up now by now.
Yeah, category I saw there, but the attributors not. Yeah, I'll go to bed now.
Okay, that's perfect. Sorry. Okay, let's talk. Okay, thank you
Yeah.
very much. Looking
Yeah.
good.
Thank you too.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.